In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join meetings from Outlook Calendar. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can get into your call quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. This is the quickest way to reach Microsoft Outlook if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, click the official Outlook website from Microsoft. This will take you to the Outlook web experience. If you're prompted to sign in, continue as you normally do for your account. Once you're in Outlook, look for the Calendar option. You'll usually find it in the left-hand navigation pane as a small calendar icon. Click it to switch from your inbox to your calendar view. This shows all your scheduled events by day, week, or month, depending on your view. If you don't see your meeting right away, switch views or check the correct date and time to locate it. Next, click on the meeting you want to join. A panel or pop-up will open with the meeting details. This is a good moment to double-check the time zone, the organizer, and any notes or attachments you might need. Look for the Join button within the meeting details. This is typically highlighted and clearly labeled, especially for online meetings created with Microsoft Teams. Click Join. If you're offered options for how to join, choose Continue on this browser. This lets you join directly from your web browser without installing an app. Your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Make sure to allow those if you plan to speak or appear on video in the meeting. You'll also see toggles to turn your camera and microphone on or off before you enter, and you can pick your audio device or test your speakers if needed. When you're ready, click Join Now. You might enter the meeting immediately, or you could be placed in a lobby until the organizer admits you. If the Join button doesn't appear, confirm that the event is an online meeting and that it's the right time. Refreshing the calendar can also help. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened your calendar, selected your meeting, clicked Join, chose to continue in your browser, and then selected Join Now. Follow these steps whenever you need to hop into a meeting straight from your Outlook calendar.